Are you tired of struggling with project management planning? Well, today, I've got something exciting for you. I'm thrilled to introduce the Gantt Project Management Planning template with Microsoft Excel. This template includes everything you need to get started from Gantt planning to configuration, and an amazing dashboard that lets you track key indicators in real time. With this powerful tool, you can stay on top of your projects and take your management skills to the next level. So, let's dive in and discover how this template can transform your project management game. Alright, let's get started. Once you've opened up the file, make sure to enable the content so you can access all the amazing features. But before we dive into the good stuff, let's take a look at the file structure. The template is organized into 5 sections: the dashboard, Gantt section, configuration, and user license agreement, and help and information. Each section can be easily accessed through the buttons on the top menu, and to make things even simpler, the menu remains the same across all pages for seamless navigation. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started with project management, this template has got you covered. Let's explore all the incredible features it has to offer. Alright, it's time to dive into the Gantt Project Management Planning template. But before we get started, make sure to enable editing so you can access all the features. Now, let's head over to the Gantt area and explore all the amazing functionalities it has to offer. In this section, you'll find everything you need to effectively plan and manage your projects. Take a look at the item details and assignments section to get an overview of your project's progress. Then, check out the actual planning and baseline plan sections to track your project's performance against your initial plans. And don't forget to explore the effective plan visual area to see how your project is shaping up in real time. With this powerful tool, you'll be able to stay on top of your projects and achieve your goals like never before. Let's take a closer look at the first few columns of the Gantt Project Management Planning template. The first column, labeled ID, is where you'll find an automatic numbering of all the items that have been added. With over 300 items already included, you can continue adding up to 500 items to meet the needs of your project. But please note that the header of this column is marked in gray, which means the values in this column should not be changed as they come up automatically when you add new items. Moving on to the second column, labeled item types, you'll be able to select from 4 item types: phase, task, deliverable, and milestone. You can find these values in the configuration section, and they cannot be changed. The third column, item description, is a free value column where you can describe your tasks, deliverables, milestones, and project phases. And finally, the role column is automatically updated based on the selection you make in the team member area. Keep in mind that the header of this column is also grayed out. In the team member column, you'll find a list of team member names, which are directly populated from the configuration section. With these amazing features, you'll be able to effectively plan and manage your project with ease. Moving on to the actual planning section, you'll find the manual start date, which is used for forward scheduling. These dates are manually entered and, together with the workdays section, provide the calculated start and end dates in the columns labeled calculated start date and calculated end date. If you've already maintained the manual end date with backward scheduling and you input the manual start date, the template will automatically consider the manual start date and ignore the manual end date, which will be marked in gray. The reference ID column presents the item referenced ID, which automatically updates the reference details based on the selected ID. The relation type column presents for possible relations: start to finish, start to start, finish to start, and finish to finish. By default, the system considers finish to start relation, but you can change it to suit your needs. The lag column can be used in case there is planned lag, and the maintain value will be automatically considered in the overall calculation. In the workdays section, you'll need to fill in the estimated effort in working days for each particular item. The next 2 columns are automated and calculated automatically based on the left side input. Please note that the header of these columns is grayed out. The status can be updated anytime, and it has color-based rules to identify where issues are or which tasks are blocked. The progress in percentage can also be manually updated, and based on your preference, it can be reflected or not in the main view by simply using the selection button labeled Show Progress. The Evolution Tracking section is designed to monitor the progress of your project over time. The header displays 5 weeks at a time, and you can easily navigate between dates using the function above. You can see the dates and days, as well as the current date, which is highlighted in red. Additionally, there is a feature that allows you to mark a specific date as a reference, which is colored in blue. This is a useful tool if you want to focus on a particular date and track its progress. As a project manager, it can be challenging to keep track of all the details and ensure everything stays on schedule. That's why our dashboard is designed to provide a clear overview of your project's progress and key indicators. In the top left corner, you'll see the current working week, making it easy to stay on top of upcoming deadlines. Right below that, our automated estimation feature calculates the estimated time to completion based on the input provided, giving you a real-time view of how the project is progressing. Further down, you'll find the number of days remaining until go live, which is calculated based on the dates provided in the configuration. This information is crucial for keeping everyone on track and ensuring that everything is ready for launch. But the real magic happens in the central view, where you'll find all the key details you need to manage your project effectively. With our intuitive interface, you can quickly see which tasks are on track, which ones need attention, and which team members are responsible for each one. If you need to filter by role, simply click on the Roles section and choose the specific role you're interested in. And if you need to select multiple roles at once, just hold down the Control button while clicking on the desired roles. With our dashboard, you'll have all the information you need to stay in control of your project and ensure that everything is running smoothly. In conclusion, the Gantt Project Management Planning Template with Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool that can help you manage your projects more efficiently. With its intuitive interface and comprehensive features, you can easily track progress, manage resources, and stay on top of deadlines. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your project management skills to the next level. Purchase this template today and start managing your projects like a pro.